Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the different types of arcs available in the SolidWorks. There are three types of the arcs: center point, tangent, and the 3-point arc. First, the center point arc. We have to select the center point of the arc and center of the arc, and the next point is the starting point of the arc, and the next one is the ending point of the arc. Wherever you click, the arc will be ended there. Again, I'm selecting the same center, and the next click is the start point of the arc, and next click is the ending point of the arc. Again, drawing the same from the same center, first point and the ending point of the arc. This is the first type of the arc, that is the center point arc. Next we are going to draw a tangent arc, in which we need any endpoint of a geometry or a line. This is the one line, and we are selecting the tangent arc, clicking on the edge of the arc, edge of the line, and the arc starts to drawing along the edge, because the tangent is drawn on the edge of any of the profile. Same like that, like this. And the third type of the arc is the 3-point arc, in which we select the first point and the second point, that is the end of the arc, and the radius at whatever radius we wanna draw this arc, and on the third click the arc will be drawn. Again, first point and the second point and the radius on which we have to draw the arc, click over there and the arc will be drawn.